What if I told you some people make thousands of dollars in a single day just by sitting in front of a screen? No office, no boss, no degree, just charts, numbers, and risk. This is the world of day trading. And every single day, millions of beginners enter this world believing they'll become rich fast. But here's the reality nobody talks about. Most traders lose money. So today we're answering one question. Can you really make money with day trading? Or is it just another internet illusion? Day trading is the process of buying and selling stocks, crypto, or currencies within the same day to make quick profits from price movements. Sounds simple, right? Let's say a stock moves from $100 to $102. For most people, that's nothing. But traders use something called leverage, allowing them to control larger amounts of money with smaller deposits. And that's where things become dangerous, because leverage can multiply profits, but it can also multiply losses. A single bad trade can wipe out an account in minutes. Still, social media makes trading look easy. Everywhere you look, there are influencers showing luxury cars, expensive watches, giant profits, and screenshots of winning trades. It creates the illusion that anyone can become rich overnight. But what most people never show are the losses, the stress, the sleepless nights. And according to studies, a huge percentage of beginner traders lose money within their first year. Why? Because beginners often trade emotionally. When they lose money, they panic. When they win, they become greedy. And greed is one of the fastest ways to blow up a trading account. Many beginners also enter trades without understanding the market. They copy random signals from social media, follow hype, and gamble instead of using real strategies. But professional traders think differently. They treat trading like a business, not a casino. They spend years learning charts, psychology, and risk management. Some traders risk only 1% of their money per trade. That may sound boring, but surviving in the market is more important than chasing fast money. Because real trading success isn't about one lucky trade, it's about consistency. And consistency is extremely difficult. The truth is, day trading can absolutely make people money, but it can also destroy savings, confidence, and mental health if done carelessly. The market rewards discipline, not emotions, not hype, and definitely not impatience. So before jumping into day trading because of flashy videos online, remember this: for every trader showing massive profits, there are thousands silently losing money behind the scenes. Day trading is not a guaranteed path to wealth, it's a skill. One that takes time, patience, and experience to master. So, would you ever try day trading? And do you think it's a real opportunity or just modern gambling? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more finance and money stories.